Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 7 speaker and I'm going to show you how can you easily pair it with your Android phone. Let's get started. First we have to go into pairing mode so that we can pair with our phone. To do this we just have to click on this Bluetooth button that is located over here. Now as you can hear, we are now in pairing mode. So we have to scroll down to our control panel, then hold our finger on Bluetooth. Now we have to click pair new device, and as you can see HK Onyx Studio 7. We just have to click on it. Now we can allow or don't allow and click pair. That's it, hope it helps you. Goodbye.